Hi alle sammen, hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will talk about a guide to learning body parts in Norwegian, head and face. Hi! If you're learning Norwegian, one of the essential topics you need to cover is body parts. This knowledge will come in handy when describing physical appearances, discussing health, or even expressing emotions. In our discussion today, we'll dive into learning the vocabulary for face and head, provide some example sentences and phrases to boost your language skill. La oss begynne. Let's start. Knowing the names of the body parts in Norwegian is essential for various reasons. It helps to describe yourself and others more accurately. It's useful when discussing health, injuries, or medical appointments. It aids in understanding idiomatic expressions and sayings related to body parts. Head. Et hode, et hode, et hode. A head. Et hår, et hår, et hår. A hair. Et ansikt, et ansikt, et ansikt. A face. Et øye, et øye, et øye. An eye. Et øre, et øre, et øre. An ear. En nese, en nese, en nese. A nose. En munn, en munn, en munn. A mouth. Ei tann, ei tann, ei tann. A tooth. Ei hake, ei hake, ei hake. A chin. Head and face sentences. Hun har langt hår. Hun har langt hår. Hun har langt hår. She has long hair. Han har blå øyne. Han har blå øyne. Han har blå øyne. He has blue eyes. Jeg har vondt i øret. Jeg har vondt i øret. Jeg har vondt i øret. I have an earache. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no nlsnorwegian.no